Welcome to another product introduction from Balluff. Today we are highlighting our family of TPE jacketed cables and splitters with silicone tubing designed to withstand the harsh conditions of welding environments. In a welding environment, a cord set's lifespan can be short. Weld spatter can burn through the cable, or the accumulated weight of welded debris can pull the cable out of the overmold. But thanks to added safeguards, these new cord sets offer increased operating temperature, resistance to thermal shocks, and protection from weld sparks and spatter. Cable jackets made of thermoplastic elastomer, TPE, offer weld spark resistance and a high flex life rating of more than 10 million cycles. A silicone tube over the cable, which is overmolded to the connector, creates an insulating air pocket that gives the cord set an even higher temperature resistance. The silicone tube also prevents occasional weld spatter and sparks from burning through the cable. The cable's locking nut is coated with PTFE, preventing spatter buildup that can destroy a sensor when disconnecting it. The cord sets come in a range of lengths from 0.3 meters to 2 meters, and with a variety of M12 male, female, straight, and angled connector combinations. Splitters in the product family come in lengths from 0.3 meters to 1 meter. The splitter delivers high-level cable protection to I/O blocks mounted in a weld area. All Balluff I/O blocks have dual I/O on each port. To access both I/O, you need a splitter to break out the two separate legs. Balluff's new splitter cables offer the same TPE jackets with added silicone tubes overmolded to the connectors. With them, you can fully utilize I/O blocks and protect cables where they are vulnerable, reducing downtime due to cable failure. For more information on products for welding environments, visit balluff.com.